Today we're going to be having a look at these brand new in the box PIFCO Wonderlights. So I've got these lights about 8 years ago. I got these and a couple of other sets of lights, brand new boxed. They were from, it was either a hardware store, DIY store, or garden centre, or a combination of both, that was closing down or just getting rid of old stock, and they had boxes of these just unused brand new PIFCO lights, and they also had a large selection of Noma Ornamotion Christmas decorations which you use in conjunction with Christmas lights. I will do a video on those another day, and originally priced at $7.99, and these are a late 80s set. Well, I'm just trying to think. Yeah, they're a late 80s set, I would say. They're screw in, so that's quite expensive, but again, if it's a garden centre or an independent shop, then they're going to be marked up a bit to make a bit of profit. Interesting colourful box of very 80s design. You got holly leaves, stars, Christmas crackers. I mean, at first, when I first looked at them, I thought these looked like fuses from a plug. You got like a ribbon design to make it look like it's a package. It is not a big box, it's quite a short box. You can see it's very small in proportion to some of the other boxes they did in the late 70s, early 80s. Set number 1331, 20 Wonder Lights. Now, these are Wonder Lights. They did have a set of Wonder Lights, and I think it was all one word, and they were a 70s set that looked nothing like these. So this is version 2 of Wonder Lights, but they look nothing like version 1. Pictures on screen now of what version 1 actually looked like. Nice. I like the classy dark boxes. So these lights are like a flower design or like a snowflake kind of design. These Wonder Lights that we have here in the video today have a similar style, but they are not the same lights as shown in the pictures. So there's two different models. I have no idea what the model number is for the original set of lights, version 1. Could possibly be the same number, but I'm not sure. I'd have to do some more research on that. So again, these are brand new, boxed, never been used Christmas lights. We've got all of the usual information on the back of the box. Still listing the spare bulbs and the part number. And these lights were part of a batch of lights that I found in a box which I'd not gotten around to. The short series limited run of videos of going for the old Christmas light boxes that we did. These were some lights that we found, and but these ones I think deserved a full video, so let's get them opened up. Oh, we got something stuck there. There we go. Turn around. There we go. Brand new inlay card. Give me some information about your lights. 2 spare bulbs, a yellow and a fuse. Braiding as expected is mint. You can see that these have never seen a plug. They've been tinned with some solder to help with fitting a plug, but they are brand new, never been lit. And we're going to get them all lit up today. We've got the usual suspects of colours. Got yellow, green, red, clear, blue and pink. PIFCO colours. And again, I do like a set with clear shades, and I absolutely love the fact that they've put the fuse bulb in a clear shade. That's something I would do on a set of lights myself, just because it makes sense. So what have we got on here? We've got 4 clear, we've got 4 red, we've got 3 blue, we've got 3 green, and we've got 3 yellow. I'm not going to take them out the box yet. Believe me, they will get used one day. So we've got really tight bayonet fit holders. Oh, there we go. So these shades, they're an interesting design. They're like a flower or snowflake, like version 1, but again, completely different design. It's got this geometric shape for the main part of the body. It's fluted or ribbed on the inside. It's a very small shade, there's not a lot to it. Looks like a crown sideways on. Very thin, very small, very delicate, very light. I do like this design. It reminds me of, what does it remind me of? Not glitter lights, but there are set of lights that have a similar bead that comes around like a flower. Can't remember off the top of my head. Screw in bulbs. Now, although these are brand new bulbs, they are not very well painted. It's a very thin coat of paint on these, and it fades as you get towards the bottom. So although there's a red bulb, I think it's going to look quite orange when it's lit up, or quite faded. But it is brand new. Let's see if you can replace your bulbs without taking these really tight bulb holders off, or bulb shades without. Let's see if we can change the bulb without taking the shade off. Yeah, we can, which is good. Right, we'll fit a plug onto this. So, that's us done. Let's turn these lights on. It's the first time ever since they were manufactured in the 80s. Hey, I'll make it work. So we've probably got a loose bulb somewhere, so I'll just do a time lapse of me trying to find it. Oh, they don't work. So just changing out the fuse, just to eliminate that, because again, I don't want to be getting them out of the box. Just testing the fuse bulb, and the fuse bulb works. So I think the next thing I'll have to do is make sure we don't have a bulb with an odd bit of solder stopping it from touching, because some of the bulbs, I mean, that isn't even straight in its bulb holder. That's a little bit on the wonk. So I'm going to go around and check all the bulbs again. And there we go. Loose bulb was this white one. how annoying would that be if somebody had bought these before me, took them home, put a plug on, and they just didn't light up. Very annoying. So there you go. That red doesn't look too bad. The blue has a slight hint of green around the middle. The red, the pink. This pink isn't as vivid as this pink. The yellows are okay. The greens, there's a bit of banding around them, almost yellow. Again, this was probably the last batch of screw-in bulb lights that they ever made. Again, the green fluted bulb holders are the last ones that they did in screw-in. They retained these bulb holders for the push-in bulbs that they did the last batches, like the similar design. They must have used the same mould but changed the insides. And yeah, the colours aren't great, they're not that vivid. They're nice, they do look like brand new lights. It's just the colours aren't as vivid as they used to be, but luckily the shades do give you that. I apologise for the flicker that these are causing. That's just the frequency that UK lights run at, unfortunately. There you go, there's a nice parade shot. Oh yeah, there you go. There's a set of PIFCO Wonder Lights version 2. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will catch you on the next one.